Hi lovely, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. In today's video we'll be learning how to make this beautiful handkerchief top. Please like this video and let's get started. So guys, the first thing to do is to fold your fabric into two. Here I have about 1 yard of fabric. If you're on the bigger side, you can use 1.5. So the fabric is on fold. Now after folding it, the dimension I have here, I have 26 inches here, and this side as well I have 26 inches. So you can see I have equal dimension. If you have equal dimension and you fold it, you won't have any excesses, but if they're not equal, when you fold it you have excesses, so you have to trim it out. So after folding it, I'm going to hold this point here. I'm going to hold it here, and I will bring it, I've repeat over to meet this side, okay, just to form something like a triangular shape. So after holding it to meet this part, you can see what I have here. So the shape is going to be like this. Make sure you arrange it very well to be equal. After arranging it and they are all equal, then you are good to go to start taking your measurements. So just arrange it properly to be equal. So after you might have done arranging it like this, now the first measurement is to take the shoulder measurement. So you're going to place your tape where you will get your shoulder measurement. Your shoulder divide by 2. Mine is 7 inches, so I'll place it here. This is where I have my 7 inches. If you don't have it yet, you have to keep coming down to get the 7 inches mark. So when I get it, I'm going to just mark it here and then draw a straight line across it. Then after that, because it's an off shoulder, I'm just going to mark the neck depth. The neck depth I use here is 3 inches. You can decide to use 3.5 or 2.5 depending on what you want. Then after that, I'm just going to slant the line a little bit and meet the shoulder point. So after marking the neck depth, the next thing I want is to mark out my sleeve opening. So from this point, I'm going to mark how many inches I want my sleeve opening to be. For me, I used 8 inches. Okay, so when you mark it, you are going to just hold it this way and make a notch. Just notch it this way so you know where to stitch after marking your measurement. You can go ahead and draw a line there if you want. Then after that, next thing is to find where you get your hip measurement. Your hip divide by 4. You are going to place your tape like this. Mine is 40 by 4 is 10 inches. So I'm going to place my tape this way till I get where I have 10 inches mark plus extra 1 inch, that's 11 inches. So this is where I have my 11 inches mark. Okay, this is it here. So I'm going to mark it here. After that, I'm going to just open it a little there. After drawing a line across, you notch it to know where the mark is. So now I've drawn a line across. I'm going to hold it this way, and then either you notch it or you just make an opening there because you're still going to stitch it. Just make a little opening there so you will know where you have your hip mark. Okay, just open it up like this, just like I'm doing so. Then after that, I'll just go ahead and trim out the neck measurement like this. Just cut it out like this, and this is the only place you are cutting out. So now we are going to start stitching. Okay, first you have to open up this side because it is closed. Okay, just go ahead and open it up and then trim out the excesses. So after that, the next thing is to start stitching it up, and it's actually very simple, guys. This only thing you have. The other ones is just to stitch out the places you have to stitch, and then your neck line you have to just pipe it. You can add trimmings just like I did on mine. So now we are going to stitch the shoulder. Okay, that place you made your notch, you're going to stitch from here till that point we made a notch. That will serve as our shoulder line. Okay, the remaining one you just have to fold them out. That's our sleeve opening. Then this side as well, you stitch from this point, okay, till the place that we made a notch. That's our shoulder line. Then the remaining one you are going to just hem it, just fold it and hem it. And for the hip side, you are going to also stitch from here to that place that we opened. Okay, then the other remaining one will be open. Just go ahead and hem the remaining part. Just stitch these places, your shoulder and the hip area. That's from this point to that place that we made a mark. Then hem the remaining ones, and that is it, guys. That's the only thing you have to do. It's quite very simple. This is a very simple dress. Thank you for watching. See you next time when I post another video.